Hey, what's up everybody, Josh Quinones here, and today we are looking at the Moto G6 by Motorola. Now this is Motorola's newest mid-range device that you can get right now for around $250. Now, don't let the mid-range name or price fool you. This device brings some premium features for something that costs far less than a huge flagship device. So this is the first time Motorola brings a glass back to a mid-range device along with some nice curved edges in the back to sit more comfortable in the hands. And honestly, I'm impressed with how premium this phone looks for its price. Although I do gotta say that I am no fan of the small camera hump in the back, and you know, that's nothing a case can't fix in the end. But aside from the dual camera setup in the back, we also have a selfie camera in front up top right next to the speaker, which is also the only speaker on the device. And down bottom we have a fingerprint sensor, and below that we have the headphone jack and USB Type-C charging port. Now, one thing to keep in mind about this device is that it is only splash proof and not water resistant like other high-end flagships on the market right now, so I suggest you try keeping it out of the water. Now, specs for this phone include the 5.7-inch IPS LCD 1080p display. That is an 18:9 aspect ratio display. It's running Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 processor, comes with 3 or 4 gigabytes of RAM and 32 or 64 gigabytes of internal storage with micro SD card support up to 128 gigabytes. It's got an 8 megapixel selfie camera and 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel dual rear cameras. It comes with a 3000 milliamp battery that can be charged at turbo speeds, and speaking from experience, this phone actually does charge pretty fast. And if we're speaking real life usage here, this battery will get you through just about a full day, unless you're a super heavy user like myself. I did find myself putting it on the charger at least one more time in the day, and thankfully it has that fast charging. And although it has a glass back, keep in mind that it does not have wireless charging. So the overall performance of this device is nothing to get crazy and excited about, but it does have decent performance and gets the job done. The cameras also aren't the best out there, but do offer a whole lot of features, and I will do a full separate camera review so you guys can check it out. This device also has a fingerprint sensor that actually works great, and I find it to be accurate almost every time. And it also has a face unlock that might not be the best out there compared to other devices, but it still does work pretty decent, and it pretty much works every time. Now, though this phone may not have the most wow features and performance, it is still a great device for the price, with a nice HD Plus display and a nice premium look that at a glance, you know, one could think that this is a flagship device. So overall, I think it is definitely worth the price, and it will definitely satisfy anyone in the market for a mid-range device. But you guys leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to leave this video a huge thumbs up if you did like it, and also don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notifications if you have not already. You guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones, and I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.
With